connecting to my channel. This is Freddie. I want to take this opportunity first to thank all of my subscribers. I appreciate your support very much. If you are not a subscriber, thank you for stopping by to check out my channel. I hope you too will become part of the kingdom by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell and joining Freddie King's home decor team. This video is going to be a refresh of a bathroom. This is a spring refresh using powder blue, green coral, and silver. In addition to those colors, I've also used a base color of white. So I'm excited to show you this design. Please continue watching. I thank you very much again for watching. This concludes another episode of Decked Out Designs by Freddie. Again, this remodel was designed to show you how you can integrate the lighter, brighter colors for the spring and summer. If you are not a subscriber, please take the opportunity to hit that subscribe button so you too can become part of the kingdom. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.